Okay, hello guys, so I'm here again, Jairek. So we will continue to discuss and play Larong Pinoy, okay? So right now we will gonna discuss Pitik Bulag. Okay, so what is Pitik Bulag? So Pitik Bulag is a Filipino native game which involves interaction with a real person. It generally comes up on creating a game without a required of anything, but only the players themselves. Okay, this have been the usual and favorite leisure time before the modern types of Western activity has taken over the interest of Filipino children. Okay, so this game is invented by the flexible mind of a person to visualize and perform such game, which makes it more tricky and fascinating. Okay, and then the mechanics of this game is very simple. Okay, so Pitik Bulag is a simple Filipino game for 2 players. Okay, so the player 1 covers his eyes while the player 2 flicks a finger or pitik over the player's 1 hand covering the eyes. And then the player 1 guesses which finger player 2 used to pitik. And then when the player 1 guesses the same finger as player 2, they exchange room. Okay, so it's very simple. And let's play it. Okay, let's go. Let's play Pitik Bulag.
Ay. Patakan mo siya.
Go.
Hala.
Hey!
Guys, welcome back again.
What's up, guys? So now we will gonna play Pitik Bulag. So it's very simple game. So we will we need 2 players. 1 player will cover his eyes and his or her eyes, and then 1 player will flick the hands. For example, so si Clint, sige Clint. Tambon yung mata Clint. Tambon yung pitki siya kuan. Jubina. O saro hina sige. Pitki siya. Hindi hina Osara.
Pit ka na ko siya?
Dili si Jubina ang pitik nimo. Oh, sige yung Clint yung tagnaon asa yung tagnaon.
Kisa ni pitik.
Yung tagnaon sa yung finger ang kuan ang ipitik. Bago yan is Clint. Sige. Okay ra. Sige, usap. Okay, sige. Sige. Ay, balik taman yung mata jud. Taman niya.
Parang hindi nakita si Lulu.
Okay. Dili. Okay. Sige.
Aray.
Sayop.
Jakto.
Sige, change. So, in that case, guys, so, natagaan ni Clint kung asa iyang flick nga finger. So, then, Jovina will be the next player to cover her eyes. Okay? Go.
I think dili.
Dili. Dili. Sige. Dili. Mama. Dili.
Palugod na nimo. Dili.
Dili.
Ay, dili.
Sakpa. That's all, guys. Thank you for watching and see you again.